I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin S2 scale. First, unbox your new scale and insert 4 AAA batteries into the compartment. Next, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone and create an account if you don't have one. Then, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your scale via Bluetooth. Finally, select or create your user profile within the app to personalize your experience. To get accurate measurements, always place your Garmin S2 scale on a hard, flat surface, not on carpet. Step onto the scale barefoot and stand still until your weight and other body composition metrics appear on the display. The scale will automatically send this data to your Garmin Connect account, so you can review it later. Consistency is key for reliable tracking. Your Garmin S2 scale provides several key metrics beyond just weight. In the Garmin Connect app, you can view your body mass index, body fat percentage, and even your muscle and bone mass. It also tracks your body water percentage, offering a more complete picture of your health. Regularly checking these trends helps you understand your progress towards your fitness goals. For the most consistent results, try to weigh yourself at the same time each day, ideally in the morning. Keep your scale clean by wiping it with a damp cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals. When the low battery indicator appears, replace the 4 AAA batteries promptly. Also, ensure your home Wi-Fi connection is stable for seamless data syncing to Garmin Connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.